welcome back to my channel. It's Tanajah and I'm back with another video. I want to start off by saying if you hear my dogs barking, I'm sorry. They've been barking all day. There's nothing that I can do about it. They see anybody they don't know walk by, they bark. So if you hear them barking, I'm sorry. If you can ignore that, I greatly appreciate it. But in other words, this video that I'm bringing to you guys today is a 1-month hair review on this Sexay hair that I received. I'm going to be giving you guys all the details and everything about this hair and what I think about the hair and how it's been holding up for a month. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button before we even get started. Go ahead and become a part of the Queen family by hitting that subscribe button. I know that you want to become a part of the family. I would love you to become a part of the family, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video already, give it a thumbs up. And also, I like when you guys comment, so if you want to comment, go ahead and comment. I like to see feedback on my videos, so make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. But if you want to see everything on this hair, stay tuned to this video so that I can give you all the specs. Okay, now, I am going to be looking at my phone to give you everything precisely. If you haven't seen my unboxing video, then you don't know the lengths of the hair, so I'm going to start off by saying that. The lengths that I received from the hair, from the company, the lengths that I received from the company is, they were a 18, a 16, and a 14. I received 3 bundles, Brazilian straight, grade 8A hair. That's what it said. It was grade 8A. I bought my own closure, so I did not receive this closure from Sexay Hair, and yes, this is a closure. But yeah, I didn't receive the closure. I just received 3 bundles. I used all bundles on this hair. I made a wig. I didn't sew the hair on the wig. I used the hot glue gun method, so that's what I did. And initially, after I got done with my wig, I tried it on with this normal lengths, which were 18, 16, and 14, and I did not like how I didn't like how it was falling on me, because I'm so used to like wearing a 22, 24, 26 inches of hair, that I did not like how the 18-inch fell on me when I put the wig on. So that's why you're getting this real sexy, sophisticated bob look, because I decided to cut it like this, and I feel like I like it way better like this. It just makes me feel all sophisticated, so that's why the hair is short in this video. The price of the hair. The price of this hair was $60. And I'm just going to go ahead and say that they sent me the hair for free. I did not pay the $60. I'm bringing this 1-month hair review myself. They're not paying me to make this 1-month hair review. Only thing that I received from them was free hair, so I just want to go ahead and get that out of the way. So everything that I'm going to be stating in this video are my own thoughts, and they're not constructed because I'm getting paid for this review, because I'm not. I wish, but I'm not. So everything is 100% my thoughts and 100% truthful and not altered because I'm getting paid. So the price of the hair is $60. I want to give you guys the exact amount, so that's what I'm about to do. Okay, the price of the hair is $60.59. Before the hair was sent to me, I researched the company on YouTube just to see what other beauty gurus or hair reviewers had to say about Sexay hair, and I noticed that they just don't have an Amazon store, but they have an AliExpress store. So I I received my hair from the Amazon store. I didn't receive it from the AliExpress store. I'll still leave both links in the description box. And like I said, this hair is 100% virgin Brazilian hair, straight. Honestly, I feel like this hair is good hair for the price of $60. I have not washed this hair yet. I have not had a reason to wash this hair yet. It's still silky. It still has its shine. Like, I haven't washed this hair yet. I don't know if I can honestly give you a good review because I haven't washed the hair yet or not, but I feel like because I haven't washed the hair yet, it says it all. Like, I haven't washed it yet and I've had it for a month. So, I mean, you can just see the luster of this hair and the shine and how it looks. Like, my ends aren't frizzy or anything. So, the luster of this hair is it's 100% A. Like, I'm really satisfied with it, and I'm really surprised because it was $60. So the luster of this hair is great, and it gets an A in my book. Does the hair shed? No, the hair doesn't shed. I don't know if it's because I cut the hair, it doesn't shed, but the hair doesn't shed. Is the hair soft? The hair is totally soft. I've had this hair for a month and it has remained soft. I've curled this hair 50 million times and the ends are still intact and the hair has remained soft. Like, I haven't had a reason to wash the hair, so that's why I haven't washed it. I don't know if it'll change after I wash it. I don't know. But I haven't washed the hair because I haven't had a reason to. So the hair remains soft. Like, it's still soft. It still smells good. And I try to refrain from putting a lot of product in my hair. So that's another reason why I haven't washed the hair, because I don't put a lot of product in my hair. So that allows me to have the natural state of my hair longer. So the hair being soft gets an A+. Is it good hair? I would say for the price of $60.59, it is extravagant hair. Like, this hair is great for the price. Surprisingly, it's too good for the price. Like, I'm not saying go up on the price because this is real affordable hair, but I don't know why the hair is $60.59, because it's really good. I've received some bundles from AliExpress where I paid $250 to $60, and the ends are bad, the hair sheds, the closure or the frontal is bald. So I feel like with this hair being $60, it's a steal, and I feel like that it should be more than $60 because how the hair has remained today. So the hair being good hair gets an A all around. Does the hair curl? Yes, the hair does curl. Okay, the only thing I would have to say about the hair curling is because this hair is straight hair and it came bone straight, it doesn't hold a curl. I use my Remington flat iron and it looks like this. I got this for about $20 or $30 at Walmart, and I curl my hair on 370. I'm gonna turn this on and show you how beautiful it curls. The only con about it curling is it doesn't hold a curl, which I don't mind it not holding a curl. But if you're a person that likes to wear your curls throughout the week, you know, you'll have to flexi rod it like every night, because if you don't, the curls will fall and it will become a wave. I don't have a problem with the hair becoming a wave because I feel like that looks more flattering to me, especially if I'm not trying to get all jazzed up. A wave is good. So I mean, it not holding a curl is not bad, but if you're a person that likes to have your curls on fleek all the time, 24/7, you will have to constantly curl this hair and flex it right to keep the curls. And that's only because the hair is bone, it comes bone straight, so it's not going to hold a curl unless you spray your hair with holding spray. And I personally don't like putting a lot of product in my hair, so I don't mind the curls falling or it not holding a curl. So the curling of the hair, I'm just going to let you grade that. I'm just going to curl a couple pieces to show you how the hair curls. And I naturally like curling my hair away from my face. It's just beautiful, like. Okay, so the curls, curling gets an A. The hair holding the curls gets a B minus. You know, when you get body waved hair, that holds a curl way longer than straight hair. So just a heads up on that, it doesn't hold a curl really long, only because it's straight hair. Does the hair tangle? I already, covered that. It doesn't tangle. You know how some hair you get, like, especially with it being short hair, like it'll tangle like right here in the nape, like when you're doing like all your turning and all your yes ma'ams and no sirs and yes baby and yeah honey and no, that hair doesn't do that. Like it doesn't. I really love that it doesn't tangle in the nape, because a lot of AliExpress hairs do that and this hair doesn't. So I really enjoy that it doesn't do that. But all around, this hair gets an A+. I feel like if you're having trouble trying to get hair, affordable hair, I feel like Sexay Hair is the best hair company to go to get some hair. I feel like it's way great quality for the price of the hair. Like, the quality is way great for the price. I feel like the quality of the hair doesn't match the price, but if you're needing hair at the last minute and you're like rough on coins and you want to buy some hair, but your coins saying no, don't get no hair this paycheck, get some hair next paycheck, this is the hair to get if your funds are low. And it's just point blank period. I feel like it's really good quality hair, and like I said, I'm not getting paid to say this. It's just really good hair. I recommend this hair. I'll be leaving the link to the AliExpress store and the Amazon store in my description box. I will also leave the links and the price in my description box. I'm going to leave the unboxing video that I recorded when I first got the hair in my description box. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. I don't know if I'll do a 2-month hair review, but I might do a 3-month hair review. So I'll skip the 2nd month and do a 3-month hair review. Hopefully by the 3rd month I've washed the hair and seen it at its full state. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like this video. I'm going to leave my social media in the description box because sometimes I state things about my makeup or my hair on my Snapchat or on my Instagram. So I leave my social media in the description box as well. And I will see you lovely people in my next video. I love you guys so much and thank you for tuning in. Bye.